moja.
Ni moja.
Shabana ni moja dunia mzima. Na kama usupport Shabana, then what should we do? You are not part and partially of the system. You are not part and partially of the cult. You are not part and partially of the people who know what they are doing. Shabana ni moja dunia mzima. Hebu enda Google ukipata Shabana ingine kwa dunia mzima, kuja nikulipe. Kama ni pay you, kuja nikulipe.
Utanilipa.
Kuja nikulipe ukipata kuna Shabana ingine kama ni pay you. Thank you very much.
Na unaambia nini coaches wenu kwa game ya leo?
Coaches wamefanya mzuri. We have done, but the problem kulikuwa na mistake moja tu that has costed hiyo bao yenye imefanya tumeenda draw. But all what you can say, we are doing good in terms of ball control, in terms of attacking, midfield, we are doing good. Given the opportunity, the coach is doing good, and we thank God.
Lastly, wacha nikusumbue ya mwisho. Lastly, given local players na local game yenye umeona, do you think moving forward, game ya Kenya ina improve, itasonga mbele?
Very important. As you can see, you can zoom around. It is going to be fantastic game because, as you can see, now we can encourage people and the government to come in to give us more security so that we can continue coming in, na families with kids, because tuko na watoto wanataka kuingia kwa hii kitu
kidogo tu hapa.
If we get security, keyword of our security,
quality security.
Yes, quality security. Because for example, tunalipa huko naingia VIP unapata kuna namna hii. But if we get the guarantee of the security, Kenyan football, we are going to take it on the higher note. I promise you that.
Last night na huku naambia jina yako. Kevo nani?
Orera.
Forever. Sawa,
Jagero.
thanks bro.